Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. As you might have known, these Elgato lights and pretty much all of their products have been really hard to get recently. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your own DIY kind of solution to them. So stay tuned after the intro. So with this setup, we'll be making our own kind of key lights that you can use to make your videos or streams or pretty much anything look just that much more professional. So let's have a look what you can actually achieve with these lights. Your video will go from something looking like this to a much nicer, crisp video looking like this. And as you can see, the video quality is improving dramatically, and this is all using the same webcam. So let's get started with what you'll actually need to achieve this. What I've used is one of these video lights from Amazon. Mine cost around 60 euros. You'll need a pair of camera ball heads. These are just to give you that bit better, finer adjustment of positioning. And you'll also need a microphone arm. In particular, I'm using this newer one, but you can find pretty much identical ones on Amazon at cheaper prices. And there's also going to be a second way that you can mount these lights is if you want to mount it to the back of a monitor arm, then you will need a super clamp and a magic arm. So now that we've got all our parts together, we want to start off by assembling the microphone arm. First thing we're going to do is just clamp it to the desk and insert the arm into the base. Then what you want to do is take the ball head and attach it to the microphone arm. Make sure that your ball head has the correct sizing for your microphone arm. The next step you want to do is simply attach your light to the ball head, and then you can start fine-tuning the positioning of it. And if you would like to mount the light to the back of your monitor arm, all you have to do is simply take the super clamp, clamp it onto the back of your monitor arm, and then use the magic arm to attach the light panel. And this should give you a result looking somewhat like this. Now, I haven't been personally able to test the Elgato lights, but I've listed some pros and cons here. The main one being that these are battery powered, so you'll need to charge them from time to time. But overall, in terms of specifications, they come actually really close to the Elgato one. They both get extremely bright, which is really nice, and battery life on them has been really solid. I've been reading some reviews of people getting up to 6 hours of battery life, although you can also use them by simply powering them by using the power supply and leaving them on continuous power. Now, one of the things that you will be losing out with the solution is the connectivity with Wi-Fi and also the possibility to connect it with an app. So you can't control the lights easily by just connecting an app or using something such as a Stream Deck. But I think this is a worthy sacrifice given that these lights are so much more cheaper and budget friendly, because you'll be able to afford 2 of these for the price of 1 key light, which is really nice. Overall, I think this is a really great solution just if you want to make your webcam video look that much better. And also, giving the pros and cons, I think this is a really nice and easy way to start your professional, more looking videos. The only downsides really are not that bad, because once you've got them set up correctly, all you have to do is switch each light on and you're basically ready to go. And that pretty much sums up my video. All the links for the products will be listed down in the description below, so you can build your own lighting setup like mine. And if you did like this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more like this. Leave a comment below what you think, and did you make your own setup like this, or do you use Elgato lights? Let me know. See you in the next one. Bye.